in urban areas. Disaster risk reduction is about protecting human lives, and disaster management gives confidence to the people and makes the community stronger when a disaster strikes. DRR is now firmly on the political radar, and it is recognized as being closely linked to development. Still, we are now facing new challenges today, which requires a renewed commitment to DRR, poverty, urbanization, and climate change. These factors are leaving people and communities even more exposed. We know that the last 10 years have seen some of the largest disasters on record. Unfortunately, Pakistan remains one of the global hotspots in terms of risk of geological and hydrometeorological and climatic disasters. The country has suffered approximately $18 billion in damages and losses from natural disaster over the past decade. In the past few years, we have been hit by major catastrophe, including the earthquake in 2000. Further ensuring coherence between national capacity and local capacity, and by integrating small-scale DRR initiatives into local development process. To brace ourselves against future disaster, Pakistan needs not only demonstrate great political foresight and build the required institutional capacity, but also introduce a shift in the national psyche. And I am hopeful that all participants and industry players present here today will take this opportunity to strengthen their networking and seek a way for future collaboration. It is important that the public and private sector come together to work for improving our technical readiness, in enhancing our departmental and organizational competitiveness, and I pray that this event will yield us all meaningful outcome which we all desire. Thanking you, Pakistan Zindabad.